people, welcome to Veganized. I'm gonna make pizza bites. It's super simple. You got 3 ingredients to go in it. Remember after school, when you had that after school hunger? And I'm gonna show you what we used to have back in the day. All right, so we're gonna start off with the pizza sauce. Super simple. That's all we're doing. And don't go cheap in your pizza sauce, people. Get a good quality kind. I know I can't name the brand, but it's a certain brand I cannot do due to the preservatives. I literally can read everything on this label and it will not give me acid reflux. If you have, if it's something I don't wish on anybody, it's acid reflux. I had it for over a week, and it sucks when you cannot eat the food you want to eat. So as we're finishing this up, next is going to be the cheese. Now, and this is all plant-based because in Veganized, we don't kill animals. All right. So this is plant-based cheese. Use whenever that's your favorite. Just gonna add that on here. And you remember when you get the little pizza bagels in school, it will be just enough, but it was cubed up. So that's all you're doing. You don't want to overwhelm it. That's all we're doing. This is a mozzarella alternative cheese that we're using. Put it over here. Be ready to use the whole bag. And with that, now we want to add the pepperoni. This is an alternative pepperoni that I've got from. I actually got this from Whole Foods, but it's another kind of like a get. Only specific Whole Foods carry that. I didn't get it today, but this is the second best. I can get it. Put that on here. Now we got that done, we're gonna pop it in the oven at 450 for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how your oven is. This is a pizza oven, so it's actually gonna cook a little bit faster. All right, let's pop these in. All right, let's see what we got. Yes, 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 yes. I'm talking about, y'all. I'm talking about. You let these sit for a little bit. This is what I'm talking about, y'all. So we're gonna let these cool off a little bit, but I can't wait to sink my teeth into these. Vegan Parmesan going